How you doing, guys? This is Dan with Laptop Magazine, and we're here at the Ford event. We're in the 2013 Ford Flex, and what we wanted to do is we wanted to show you the new revamped Ford MyTouch system. What they did was they had some issues with the original MyTouch, and now they've revamped it. They sent out a bunch of updates to prior owners, and now the 2013 models of the Flex, Taurus, and Mustang are getting the newest version as well. So right up here we have the new home screen. As you can see, everything is much easier to read. It's color coordinated. Buttons are a lot easier to see. And if you see, this is the home screen. Obviously, you want entertainment, tap entertainment. Everything comes up nice and quick. What we have right now is we have this is my personal Droid X, and right now we have Bluetooth synced, and we can get any song we want from my phone onto the system. So we'll just jump in here, get some music going, so you can see how it plays. There you go. And now we'll turn it up a little bit. And that's just going right over Bluetooth from my phone. Alright, we'll stop that. And this is the entertainment portion. You can get also Sirius, CD, USB if you have USB plugged in, and you can also get AM and FM. It's just popping back up and down because it's recognizing my phone. Usually it wouldn't do that. Up here we have the actual phone connection, so I can go and just dial in a number here, call whoever I want, and because it's got sync with it, you can use voice recognition, and you can speak, phone book. I'd like to call so-and-so from my phone book, and I can say any name on here. I could say Albie, and it would call my friend Albie. You can also get your messages here, and it will read you messages from your texts out loud. That's the most recent message I had from my cousin. Up here we have the navigation system. The navigation system is actually very, very responsive. You have now tabs up here that let you know that there are multiple views that you can see. So that's the standard view. This is an overhead view, kind of a God satellite view. And then down here, let's see. Actually, the first one was north. That will tell you where it'll point you in the direction of north. This is the standard God kind of satellite view, and then this is a more level, telling you, on a flat plane, almost where you're going. It gives you the street names, obviously. You can change the view on this side, so it would tell you, where you're going and what direction you should take. So right now we're actually parked, and it's giving us, we're in Portland, Oregon. You can change the view again and go right back, and you can go up here and type in a destination. You can speak the destination. It will put it in automatically for you. Street addresses that you have recognized will come up as well. And then down here what we have is the actual climate control system, and this is extremely responsive. We can go full auto, and it'll take care of everything for us. Set the temperature right there. As you can see, it's moving, very quickly. There's no delay. Turn the AC on, turn it off, max AC, turn everything on. Anything that you want to control from here is automatic, and then to turn everything off, you just press that off button right there. You can also control the rear climate. Comes up instantly, not a problem. You can change all the system settings from within the system, the little gear as usual. It's very intuitive to read, to find out where you think something should be. Again, a gear is basically the sign for settings for any kind of tech, and that's it right there. The home button is home, and you also have an information center for you to give you, travel alerts, different, what your calendar is, what apps you have on here, services. And then down here, this is all, again, touch sensitive. It's not, it's not actual buttons. You touch and it automatically recognizes it, and it's right now it's set to auto. You can turn the climate all the way off, and again, this is source. It'll pick up the source where your phone's coming in. Down in here you actually get AV connectors, 2 USB connectors, and an SD card slot. And the SD card slot is actually what's used for the navigation. You take that out, and then if you need an update in the future, they'll send you another chip. You slide the chip right in, and then it's all good to go. This is where you would plug in your phone if you want to do the app link that Ford offers, so you can have apps recognized on your actual display up here. And then over here, just turn that off, telling us that we had taken out the SD card. But over here, if you can get a look, these are the customizable screens for the tachometer. This is basically your information, and this is your entertainment. So if we wanted to change the display over here, we just go up to display mode, and it gives us the RPMs and the fuel gauge, and then we can go back. There we go, and we can look at the trip and the miles per gallon for each trip. That's trip 1, and that's trip 2. We also can view fuel economy very easily. That's our instant fuel economy where we were before. You can easily reset it. You can also see it kind of on a miles per gallon bar graph. We go back. You can change all the settings in here from vehicle to display. You know, if you want just the fuel gauge, the fuel and the tach, that's what we were looking at before. Change the units, change the language. So this is all very, very easy to use and intuitive. This is the entertainment system. You get the full compass, navigation, phone, entertainment. You can control everything. Again, everything can also be controlled through voice, through the sync system. So you can, just speak how you want something to be picked up, and it will pick it up. It's very, very good at listening. There's not any real problems as long as you know the commands. So that's really the new My Ford Touch, the upgrade with sync, and so far we're very, very impressed with it. The buttons are great, as I said, and it's very easy to use. So again, this is Dan Howley with Laptop Magazine, and we're in the 2013 Ford Flex.